Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off those recent files showing on Copilot. Now, it's good to have those files here and you have three dots and you can basically work with them if you need to. But if it's something that is cluttering your screen, you can always hide these or remove these. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off recent files from home on in Microsoft Copilot. So what you want to do is simple go into the settings here, and if you're not seeing the sidebar, just expand it and you can click on it. And so you head into the settings, and from here you want to scroll down under the permission section, and you will find an option that says show recent file on home. If you don't want to have it, just simply toggle off this feature. And so when you go back home, you will not find those recent files showing on the home page. And as you can see right here, it is not showing here. And you, of course, if you want to show it, you can always go into the settings and it's going to tell you that you need to show it. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.